Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you, Truecaller app settings and how to use it in the best settings that you could use. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're looking for the best ultimate shield against the absolute avalanche of robocalls and telemarketers we deal with daily, well, Truecaller here is honestly an essential app to have on your phone. Now, the community consensus is incredibly high here, and it makes the total sense here given that over 500 million people are actively using it to verify their calls. Now, it's like having a digital bouncer for your phone. Now, the real magic is the caller ID engine. Now, the split second here on a known number dials you, the app instantly checks its massive crowdsourced global database. Now, if it's a scammer, a sketchy delivery company, or a persistent sales agent, your screen lights up with the giant red warning before you even think about picking up. Now, people absolutely love the peace of mind it gives you. You never have to play guessing games with unknown numbers again. Now, what takes it to the next level this year are the cutting edge AI features they've baked in. Now, they have this brilliant AI call scanner tool. If you pick up a call and suspect something is off, you hit a button and the AI instantly analyzes the voice in real time to tell you if you're speaking to a real human or a dangerously realistic AI voice clone. Now, if you opt for their premium tier here, you even get an AI assistant that will literally answer unknown calls for you, ask the person who they are and why they're calling, and give you a live written transcription on your screen so you decide if it's worth your time. So basically, it's like having like a mini assistant in your phone or in your actual phone app here. Now, what are the best settings here that you may want to use? So in this case, first things first, you want to go to your settings. Now, in the Truecaller app here, inside your settings, you want to go ahead and first access what we call calls. It's going to access calls. Now, in here, you may want to turn on what we call the spam protection. So just click on enable and just make sure that you set this up as set Truecaller as your default caller ID and for spam app. So you can go and just click on set as default. And also, if you scroll down a bit here, you should see the option that says hide for phone book contacts. You may want to enable that as well here on your phone. Now, if you want to avoid certain ads appearing here on the app itself, what you need to do is you may want to open up the settings here, and you may want to go ahead and access what we call the app section. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and access the section or the option here for Truecaller. So go ahead and search for it. And once you do find it, you want to go open up the actual app. And from here, you want to go access the network access section. And you may want to disable certain access here to the internet. So you may want to disable for like SIM 2 or for Wi-Fi. And you could also like disable all of them if you want to totally avoid getting any kind of ads. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.